Hi everybody, welcome back to another delicious sweet recipe. Susan here. Today we're going to be making some Oriental-style beef stew. Have a look at this goodness and let's get ready to roll and cook it. First we're going to boil our stewing beef for about 10 minutes. While that's happening, we're going to get our garlic, ginger and onions ready. After it's boiled, we're going to wash it under some cold water, as you can see here, and then drain it. Drain it nicely. Then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Make sure it's coated all over. Then we're going to add in our prepared ginger, garlic, and onions. Just throw them in. And then we're just going to let them burst with flavor in the wok there for about 5 minutes. On high heat. You can see that steam going on there. Ooh, it's smelling so good right now. All the flavors are being released. There it is. Kaleidoscope of different aromas. Making my mouth water. When that is done, frying for about 5 minutes, we're going to add in our drained stewing beef. There we go. And then we are just going to fry this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Just mixing everything up. There we go. We've put the heat on low heat now. So we're just giving this a quick fry for 2 to 3 minutes. And then we're just adding in some sliced tomatoes that we prepared before. I'd say we added about 2 to 3 tomatoes here. And then we're just going to keep on frying this. Just keep on tossing. It's a stir fry kind of right now. Just keep on tossing. Just spreading the flavors around. And then we're going to add in some seasoning. Sprinkle some white pepper. We're adding in a block of brown cane sugar. A drizzle of sesame oil. And about 2 tablespoons of white spirit vinegar here. The spirit vinegar helps the meat to cook more tenderly and quickly. And then we're adding in 2 blocks of fermented tofu. There we go. And then we're going to be adding 1 teaspoon of bean sauce. Sorry, make that 2 teaspoons of bean sauce. And then we're going to be adding 1 teaspoon of hoisin sauce. And then half a bowl of soy sauce. There we go, just measuring it. And yes, you don't need to add salt in this because the soy sauce has plenty salt there already. And then just pour that all over. And then we're going to be mixing a hurricane up in here. Then we're just going to be mixing now. Just mixing all those flavors so that all that meat there is going to absorb everything. There we go. And also to melt that block of cane brown sugar there. Just keep on mixing. Stir fry mixing right now. It kind of looks like I'm busy folding in all the flavorful goodness into the meat there. There we go. Keep on doing this for about 2 to 3 minutes. When you see that the brownish kind of sauce has coated all the meat. And there we go, and it's about done. Now we're going to add 2 unchopped chilies. We're just picking off the little stems there for a little bit of oomph. And now we're adding 2 tablespoons of Chinese white rice wine. It's smelling so good right now. Then we are going to add about 1 liter of boiling water into this mixture. There we go. And that is done. And you can see it slowly simmering. Now we're adding in our potatoes. They've just been cleaned and peeled. That's all we did. And the potatoes will cook with the meat here for about 2 hours. There we go. Doesn't need to be submerged because we're going to put on the lid and it will still be cooked by the heat. There we go. And then you'll simmer this on medium low heat. Here we're just adding in some Chinese vegetables here. I'm not sure what we call them, but we call it Fat Sao Kwa. If I give it a direct translation, I guess that's called Buddhist palm gourd. Just googled it. It's actually called chayote. Chayote. There we go. We're just washing it, and then we're going to diagonally cut them. We want these to be a little bit chunky because these tend to melt into the saucy goodness if they're too small. And we love to eat this because it literally absorbs all the flavor from the sauce. So when you're biting into it, it's like a mushroom. It's oozing out all that goodness as we're eating it. And there you go. Now we're just going to put on the cover or the lid, and it's going to cook on low heat for about 2 hours. Occasionally check on it to make sure it's not sticking to the pan on the bottom there. And there you have it. It's ready. And it is smelling so deliciously good. We normally eat this with white jasmine rice because the sauce has plenty flavors in it already. Or you just eat it with the potatoes there as your starch. And we'll top this off with some finely chopped spring onions. There we go. A nice, quick and easy meal. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please give it a like, subscribe, comment, share. If you have any suggestions for any future videos or how to improve our videos, we'd really like to hear from you. And we really do appreciate all your support. If you haven't subscribed before, remember to gong that bell icon for notifications on our future videos. Don't miss out. This is Susan signing out. Gotcha, gotcha. Till next time.
黐底啊！嗰度因為打咗個芡喺個咁啊黐底啊！哎呀，黐實底啊！